Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students of Open University. Welcome back to online tutorial of Open University. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. I do hope that you are always happy and always focused on joining our tutorial online. Why? Because this online tutorial will help us a lot in understanding and mastering English. My students, the sections will be or 7 sections, where in sections we're going to talk about Module 11 and Module 12. I do hope that you will focus and study seriously in this Module 11 and Module 12 because we are going to talk about prepositions, combinations, and phrasal verbs, which consists of prepositions, combinations with adjective, prepositions, combinations with verbs, and phrasal verbs. And next is about the unclear sentences. My students, I also would like to remind you to keep active in discussions and also do all assignments, assignment 1, assignment 2, and assignment 3 in these sections. I do hope that you can learn the materials in the sections about module 11 and module 12 easily. Keep your fire on, my students. Good luck and see you